Now we are going to look at one of the most important option in Excel which we use in our day-to-day basis. So the options are cut, copy, paste and paste special. So these four options everyone use in their day-to-day process. So let's start with cut. So cut is nothing but moving your data from one place to another place. Let me select the data. To cut the data, use Ctrl X, or you go to home. So you have cut, copy, paste, all these options available here. So it's better to use always shortcut instead of using a mouse. So Ctrl X, then choose wherever you want to move. I want to move in row 14. So I enter. So the data has been moved. You can also move this data to different sheet. So again I'll press Ctrl X to cut the data, then move to sheet 1 and then enter. So the data has been moved to sheet 1. If you go to report tab, report sheet, you cannot see the data because it's moved to sheet 1. Again, if I want to move back to the original place, so Ctrl X, then go to report. I want to paste it in range A1. So now I got the data here. Now you cannot see the same data in sheet 1. It moved to report sheet. Let's look at copy data. Generally, copy data is useful like in case if you want to take the data another copy. Okay, so in that case you can copy the data. So if you are going to take this data and you are going to place it somewhere else, or if you want to create any duplication, in that case you can copy data. So in this case, let me select the data, Ctrl C. So now I copy the data. So now I can paste wherever I want. So now let's move on to paste data. So now I copied the data. So now I need to paste somewhere. To paste the data, so I want to paste it in row 15. So there are two options to paste. So either you can press enter. So you got the same data in row 15. So if you press enter, so you can paste it in only one place. So again, if you want to paste it in another place, again you have to copy. But if you want to paste the same data in multiple places, so Ctrl C to copy and use Ctrl V to paste. If you use Ctrl V, if you copy the data one time, that is more than enough. You can paste wherever you want. Even I can go to the next tab, I can paste the data n number of times. Let's go back to the report tab. Okay, so this is copy paste data. Let's look at paste special option. Let me delete all this. Okay, so generally paste special used to paste the information which required from the original data. So in here, if you see the data, so what information I have here, I have formatting, so you can see the colors, I have number format, so I have formulas, I have borders, so all this information are available in this data. But paste special will be useful, like I don't want all the information from here, I want only certain information from here. In that case, we can use paste special. So if you want to complete information, then you can directly use Ctrl C to copy the data and you can paste Ctrl V to get the entire data. But if you want to paste only certain information from the original data, then you can use paste special. To go to paste special, first you have to copy the data, then go to file, then go to home, paste, and then special. So these are the paste special option. So first option is all is nothing but Ctrl C, Ctrl V, just a copy paste. So whatever content or information you have here, everything pasted in the cell which you choose. The next option is a formula. So how to use formula? To go to paste special option, the shortcut is Ctrl Alt V. So let's start with formula. Paste special formula used to only copy the formula from one cell to another cell. Let me show you one example. So assume here I have formula in all the cells. You can see here. So all the cells are having some formula. So So now what I want is, let me change the color of the cell. Okay, so if you see here, all the cells have same formula. So now I want to copy this formula and I want to paste it in this cell. As in this cell I don't have formula. Okay, so I want to copy paste only the formula, but I should not disturb the color. So I want only yellow color in this cell. So if I do normal copy paste, so I'll copy this and I'll paste. So I'll get the result. So result wise, no issue, I'll get the correct result. But the format will change. In this cell, I want only yellow color. Okay, the formula to be applied in the cell, but it should not disturb the format. To do that, copy, go here, and to go to paste special option, Control Alt V. Then tick formula. Select the formula, then OK. So now if you see here, the the format has not been changed. Still we have yellow color. The formula also pasted. So only the formula has been pasted. So in this case, you can use paste special formula. So then we have paste special values. Let me tell you where we use paste special values. Now I have formula in the cell. I want this value to be updated here. So let's take total sales. So if I copy paste this information here, will it work? Let's try. It won't work. Here I have 1949807, but here I have 397686. The reason is, if you see the formula, it's picking the wrong information. So when you copy paste the formula from one place to another place, you should always use paste special values. So then only you will get the exact value in the cell. So let me do it again. So I want this information here. Let me copy and let me go to that cell, Control Alt V, and I'll select values. So now if you see, the same number has been pasted. Only the value is pasted. No format has been pasted. No formula has been pasted. No border line, nothing has been pasted. Only the value has been pasted in this cell. So to copy paste formula from one place to another place, always use paste special values. So now we'll see the next option is paste special format. So paste special format will be used to copy paste the format from one place to another place. Let's do it here. Now here I have date. Okay, so I have some other date as well. Okay, so here already I have date format. I'll keep some format here. This is the format in this cell. Okay, so I want to apply the same date format for all the cells. To do that, copy, select rest of the date, Control Alt V to go to paste special and format. So whatever cell you copied, so whatever format exists in that cell, so that will be applied to all the selected cells. So now you can see here. So here you can use paste special format. And the next option, that is comment. Okay, so assume I have comment here. Okay, so I have low sales due to low demand. Okay, so again I update here. Okay, high sales due to high demand. So now I have comment in this cell, I have comment in this cell. Okay, let me hide the comment. So here also I can hide. So whenever you want, you can click and see. Okay, so now I want to apply the same comment for other cells as well. So here I have 32 129. Okay, so there are other values which is less than 32, 129. So let me select. So I want to apply the same command in all the cell. It's very difficult to select each and every cell and insert command and type the same command. Okay, instead of that, you can copy the cell. So because I want to copy this command and paste it in some other cells, so I'll choose few cells here. Okay, I want to paste it for the selected cell. Control Alt V, choose comments. Okay, so now if you see whatever comments you have here, same comments applied for all the selected cells. There's no need to go to each and every cell and update the comments. So similarly here I have iCell, copy this, assume, let me select few range. Okay, here, Control Alt V, comment, and now the comment has been pasted here. Let's go to next option, Control Alt V, data validation, which will be covered part of advanced. Okay, so all except border. Okay, so to I want to paste the data but except border. So let me copy this data. I want to paste the data here, but I want except border. Control Alt V, let me choose this option, all except border. See here, you did not get any border line here. Let's go to next option. Next option is column width. Okay, so let's select this column. Okay, and I'll make it a bit small. I'll make it all the column and make it a bit small. So I'll make it one big and one small. Okay, so now the alignment is not proper. Okay, and I want to apply the one column width size to other column. To do that, I can copy this column. You can pick any one sample column, then you can choose rest of the column where you want to apply the same size, then go to paste special, choose column width, and OK. So now you can see the same column size has been applied. So to check, so here if you press, so you can see 9.73, and here also you'll have same 9.73. Okay. Let's move to Excel paste special operations. So Excel paste special operation is, go to paste special option. So these are the options. So here you have none, add, subtract, multiply, and divide options. Okay, so in case if you want to reduce or add or multiply any value in any specific cell, you can use this option. Okay, so now I have values here and I want to subtract all this value by 15. Okay, so just copy this 15 and select all the data. Now I want to subtract all this data with 15. Go to paste special and you subtract, or you can choose divide. I want to divide all this value with 15. So now if you see, all this value have been divided by 15. So now I want to multiply all this value by 15. Control C, take all, select all the cells, multiply. Okay, so now if you see, again it came back to original thing. Okay, in case if I want to subtract all this value by 10,000, copy 10,000, select all the value, Control Alt V, subtract. So assume here I have 19699. So if I do that, it will subtract 10,000 and you will get only 9699. Okay, so this is the paste special option. You can do either multiply or subtract, and also divide. Okay, so this is one, and also we have two more option in paste special, that is transpose and skip blank. Let's do skip blank. Okay, skip blank generally we won't use, still I'll explain. Okay, so now I have table here, I also table in the bottom. Okay, let me delete few days. Okay, so now I want to paste this data on the top. I mean I want to paste from brand, or I want to paste from Monday to Sunday data in the top table. So if I do Control C, because I want to paste only these data and I don't want to disturb Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. So I want those data to be remain there. I want to paste only the data from Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Only these 4 columns to be pasted. So for that, copy. Generally if you paste Control C, Control V, so it will replace the existing data. So we cannot do that. So here we can use skip blank. So first select the data and copy data, and then go to the range cell, go to paste special, and here you can do skip blanks and then OK. So if you see here, the data has been pasted. So whatever we have, the data has been pasted. Also the original data did not disturb, so it was still there. Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, still it was there. So this is a skip blank. And the last option in paste special is transpose. Transpose option generally used to transpose the row to column or column to row. Okay, so here I have Monday to Sunday, so I have the data in column. So each column I have each day. So now I want to transpose this to row. So let me select the cell, Control Alt V, and then transpose. So if you see here, same data transposed into row. So I can also transpose the entire data. So let me select entire data, copy, and I want to go to any specific cell, Control Alt V to go to space special and click transpose. So now if you see, so let me redo this. Okay, let me select the data, Control Alt V and transpose. So now if you see, so whatever we have in the column, that's moved to row. So we have days in the column, that moves to row, and we have brand in the row, that move to column. This is a transpose. Also the formula will remain same, so the formula will not change, it remains same. Even you can check all the formula range will not change using transpose. So this is the paste special option. Let's move on to next option.